Hello, this is Isabel Monzo, and this is what I have learned about flipped classrooms. First of all, a flipped classroom takes the lecture online and focuses on homework and hands-on activities during class time. So instead of having your normal lecture time and maybe a little bit of an activity at the end during a class session, students are supposed to watch YouTube videos or lectures that a professor or teacher makes online at home. And then when they go into class the following day, they actually do activities and hands-on learning with their teacher and their peers during the normal class schedule. Some benefits of the flipped classroom is students learn at their own pace. There's many different learners in the classroom, and this really accommodates all kinds of learners, those who pick it up really quickly or those who maybe need a little bit more time to understand the concepts. There's also more time for asking questions. This is really important because many students have a lot of questions, and so this allows the teacher to help them out a bit more. There's also one-on-one opportunities between teacher and student, so you really get that personal teaching, which is really helpful for students. There's also more time to spend on activities, which means they're actively doing what they learned the night before. And there's also opportunity for high-level students to help their classmates. If there is a particularly gifted student, the teacher could have that student help other classmates so that there's more help going around the classroom. Some of the cons that I found while researching a flipped classroom is that not all students watch the at-home lectures. This can be a problem because usually after watching it the next day they go in and they actually start doing what they learned, and not all students watch that lecture. It's probably because they're either busy with other homework or they're just lazy about actually putting in the work. So that's one con. Another con is some students want longer lectures. Typically, these videos are 5 minutes long, maybe 15 max. They're not typically very long lectures. And maybe some students may want some longer lectures or maybe some more material that they can reference. Also, not all students have access to certain technology devices. In poor communities where maybe some schools don't have as much money for technology, this can be a downfall because not everyone has an iPhone and not everyone has a Chromebook or a PC or a MacBook to access lectures. So that was one of the cons I thought of while researching on flipped classrooms. But in conclusion, I think it's a great idea to use flipped classrooms, especially because you can personalize it as a teacher when you create your own lectures. And I think it's just a much more fun way of learning compared to the traditional lectures within the classroom. And you really get to help your students and have that one-on-one experience. So thank you for watching.